Hi Andrew, so how does it feel na mapanood ngayon yung character mo dito sa movie na Men Are From QC, Women Are From Alabang?
Siyempre, unang-una, it's a blessing na napasama sa movie ng Marvin kasi we all know gano'n sila kalakas. Siyempre, aside doon, Direk Gino Santos. Pero ano doon, story kasi is talagang maraming makarelate. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko ron is yung family. Yung nakita pa rin yung family na kasi sa dami ng problema, para at the end of the day, family pa rin ang talagang andyan para sa'yo. So, dapat panoorin po nila yan. Showing na po yan tomorrow, May 1. Sana masuportahan nyo yung movie and sana tulungan nyo po kami ng promote.
And ano po yung mga abangan namin sa'yo in the future, your projects?
Medyo confidential pa, pero soon yan, soon.
Okay. And ngayon po kasi naman yung mga collaboration. So, right now, are you willing to work with like a biggest love team? Like, sikat ngayon yung Kim Pao.
Oo naman. Dream ko naman. Like ako, I work with Atniel na rin. So,
yeah.
iba yung nakatulong talaga siya sa akin. And yung last ko is yung Royal Blood, kay Ding Dong Dantes. Yun. And yun, thankful ako sa mga opportunities.
So if you're going to have a collaboration or project with Kim Pao, anong gusto mong role or genre?
Kung pwede, love triangle, no? Kung mabigyan ng chance, di ba? Love triangle.
Ayun, sige. Thank you po and invite everyone na to watch the film.
Yan. Everyone, please do watch and support. Itong film po namin, tomorrow na po yan, May 1.
Thank you po.
Guys, half body ako. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yan, tingin. Ganda na ito. Closer. Yan, tingin dito. Tingin dito. Guys, tingin dito. Smile lang. Smile. And cut. Ako nyo tingin lang. Yan. Okay. Ano po? Okay. Okay. Punch your hand. Looking here first. Then okay lang look at each other na kayo. Yeah. That's one. Galaw. Then look here again. Yan. Another different pose na. Yeah. Okay, ready. Wala ba ako maging prenup?
Prenup pala!
Joke lang.
Joke time nyo ako.
Okay, last pose na lang. Mas 3, 2, 1, 0. Galaw. Ito na nga my point. Go. Hello.
Anong kulitan?
Pasan-pasan mo.
Hahaha.
Tingin dito. Isang babay lang. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Tapos tatakpan nyo lang. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Tingnan. 3, 2, 1. Look here. Top camera. Last one. Tingnan. 3, 2, 1. Takip. Okay, good job.
Lala ko na. Oh my gosh. Yun ang video natin si Kuya. Gaano ka video?
Ganun mo konti lang. Nice. Okay, ready? Oops. Looking here muna. 1, 2, 1 more. Another one. Wait lang, okay. Then okay lang once. Ay, meron ka? Sige po, ano yung gano'n lang para magkaharap lang kayo. Ready? Sige, 3. Ay, wag muna magharap. Tingin mo sa ibang lugar. 3, 2, 1. Tingin ng boss. Good. Yeah, sige, tawa-tawa nga. Bigyan ng tawa-tawa. Ang ganda na ito. 3, 2, 1, go. Closer. Last one. Excuse me lang po.
Thank you, Lola.
Picture with me.
Where's Yoyo?
Okay, Andy, kami. Andy. Okay, smile. Andy, just smile.
Okay. Okay, everyone, look here sa lens. Look at my lens. Okay, ready? 1, 2, smiling. One more. 1, 2. The last one.
Ikaw ang last.
Oh, yan si Gina. Thank you.
Ay, ano ba ito? 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
1, 2, isa pa, one more pa. 1, 2, 3.
That means we did it. All because of the fact. Shoot me all the time. Yeah? Ganyan?
Yan yan.
Ganyan? Thank you for coming. I'll see you guys going to...
Okay, Marco, quick question lang.
Yeah.
How is it now seeing your movie ngayon nag-premiere na kamusta and seeing reaction sa mga tao?
How was it? It felt amazing.
Lahat na nanonood. Actually, nanonood ako kasama nyo. Pumunta ako dun sa mga fans. Narinig ko lahat ng mga sigaw nyo, yung kilig nyo, yung mga iyak nyo, narinig ko at nagpipik lang ako. So thank you so much for enjoying the movie and being here. And of course, May 1 na po, now showing Men Are From QC and Women Are From Alabang. Thank you so much.
Alright, there you have it! Let's congratulate them by clapping our hands all together! Congratulations to Team Men Are From QC, Women Are From Alabang! And this time, let's hear a few words from our lead stars and of course our director. A message for everyone.
Kumusta? How was it? Did you guys like it? Okay ba? Yes, actually,